Check it. Alright guys, I am back with another AMC and APE update, and this one is going to be a little bit more short, a little bit more precise. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Things are looking really good. I don't want to be an AMC cheerleader and just keep saying the same things over and over again, but guys, you got to look at the fundamental data and the technicals. Everything is lining up and things are looking primed, and you are seeing it play out on the charts every single day as the price increases. We do have something a little bit new happening in the charts, a technical indicator that is very bullish, and not a lot of people are going to be talking about that, so we're going to head and check that out in this video. So if you don't mind, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get in the charts, the data, and see what we have going on. Alright guys, we are back and we are looking at AMC and APE and the overall stock market, and today was a beautiful day in my opinion. Perfect technicals, exactly what we want to see, and something that a lot of people will not be talking about is this hidden bullish divergence that we have here in the RSI. So hidden bullish divergence is when the RSI is on a downtrend but the price is on a uptrend, and if that was the reverse, it'd be hidden bearish divergence. So anytime when RSI is getting lower and lower, so as you guys can see, RSI is consolidating lower and lower on this downtrend and price is going higher, that is called hidden bullish divergence, and that is a very bullish indicator. This is on the 2-hour. It's probably going to grow into the 4-hour. It's definitely on the 1-hour. You guys can see it very clearly, but there is a definite downtrend on the RSI. So RSI is getting lower and lower, but price is slowly going higher, and this is looking very good. Okay, so that is the first thing off rip for AMC. So first of all, if you see this thing run up, don't be surprised. We have this overall MA, the 200 moving average right here is about to cross up, or the 50 moving average, I do apologize that this gold line is about to cross up over the 200 moving average again on the 2-hour time frame. If we do get a push up, and that would also be a golden cross, things are looking extremely prime for AMC. I keep saying this over and over again. We didn't even have to come down to the support trend that we've been holding since we broke out of this falling wedge that I've been tracking on my TA. I think that we are going to see a nice push up for AMC. Sorry if I am wrong, but I do think here on Friday we are going to see a nice push. If we do see some pullback, I'll give you guys levels to look for, but I think somewhere between Friday, Monday, or Tuesday, I'm looking for a nice pop to the upside for AMC and APE, especially with this hidden bullish divergence here on the time frames here. So prices to look forward to if we do come down. So prices that we need to hold as support, obviously $5, $5.11, $4.95 as well. I'm looking at support if we do come to the downside, but guys, I'm really thinking that this thing's going to continue melting up to the upside and continuing to the upside. So prices I'm looking forward to the upside are, of course, $5.50 and $6, and if we do get above $6, expect to see things get wild because we have a lot of gamma, and then that gamma could easily push us to where in the options chain they could push us to $7, $8, $9, $10 because of the gamma in those options right there, as you guys can see. So that could give us a nice gamma squeeze up to those levels, and I always say if we get up to $8 or $10, that's where AMC is going to start to get crazy. So if you see this thing pop up to $8 to $10, it's going to start moving multiple dollar amounts at a time. Like, I'm trying to say that it's going to be very volatile. You're going to see big upswings, you're going to see big downswings as well, but you're going to see massive price volatility. So things could get crazy very fast for the stock, and that's why they always halt us and try to keep us very low, under $5. So I need you guys to understand that this is just simple logic. They need to keep us down, but this thing just keeps boiling up, and the technicals are looking so good, man. So good. The technicals look amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is like this is exactly what you would want to see if you want this thing, like if you're looking for bullish, this is what you want to see. Like I don't know how else to explain it. We have the green weekly MACD. I've been talking about this time and time again on my videos. Very important that every time we have this green weekly MACD, you do see massive price movements to the upside. Green weekly MACD, green weekly MACD, green weekly MACD, green weekly MACD. And we did break this 2-year downtrend. All we have to do is get past that major resistance of like 6 to 7, $8, and then we're just gonna see this thing start launching and get big candles like this. And that's why you see big candles like this around those levels, because after $8 to $10, things can just get very, very volatile, very, very quick. So I'm thinking we are primed to rip. Again, I do think it's very important for everyone to vote no on the reverse split side of things as far as this AMC vote comes across. I do think that the MOAS depends on it. That is just my personal belief. And if you guys look into things, Adam Aaron is on the Council of Foreign Relations, and there's a bunch of conflicts of interest there with Morgan Stanley and the banks and stuff like that. I just implore you to look into it, guys. Open your eyes and see. I wouldn't just say things if it wasn't true. I wouldn't want to spread hate or disinformation in the AMC community. Um, this is just facts. All right, it is what it is. All right, but I'm gonna just keep moving forward. Let's go ahead and check out the technical analysis for APE, see what we're looking at for APE, and see what prices we can look at for support if we do come down, and what technical analysis I'm looking at. So prices of support are $1.92, also $2 even. We really don't have much support under there, so we really need to hold those levels. But we're basically consolidating in these between these levels of $2.57 and $2.45. We've been there for a couple of days now, and we're basically just consolidating in those levels in this bullish pennant, which keeps doing false breakouts, but then coming back inside of it, false breakout, coming back inside of it. But we are getting to the tip of it soon, and I do think that we could see a nice pop to the upside Friday or early Monday. So I am looking for this to break out to the upside. This is very bullish consolidation after a nice move to the upside from APE, several hundred of percentages moves to the upside after that bottom of 50 or 69 cents, somewhere around there, which is absolutely amazing. I knew once I seen APE that low, I started buying like crazy. I was like, this is insane. APE is literally cents right now, and I am glad I did because it's a lot of shares. And I do day trade AMC shares. I have a huge bag that I hold for MOAS, but I do day trade to make money here and there. So you guys can make money on this stuff. And I don't really do call options because that does provide liquidity for market makers and stuff like that. And that's a whole nother thing with call options. But hey, to each their own. All you guys do your own thing. This is just my personal beliefs. But hey, let's go back into the TA. If we do break above this 50 moving average here on the 4-hour time frame, again, as you guys can see, all the technicals are saying once we get above this level of $2.50, APE is going to rip. I'm looking for the upside to beat the high of $3.36 and then go to $5 and even $10. Yes, APE to $10. I am predicting that. That is just what I think is very, very possible. I think APE could go much higher, but I'm looking for at least $5 to $10 on APE. And I think APE will be trading at about $4 here, with maybe by the end of not this end of next week, but the week after that. So like in 2 weeks, I think $4 will be the floor for APE. And we haven't even come down to touch this support or nothing. Everything is looking very, very bullish. I really don't have too much to report as far as technicals are. We do have the super trends on APE as a, or going on a buy for the APE on the daily. The super trend is a technical indicator. It gives you either buy or sells. As you guys can see, APE went a buy at 65 cents and then it's been on a tear ever since. AMC is looking at for the super trend. Let's see. Sorry about that, guys. So AMC is looking at the daily as a sell. So once that turns to a buy, you know this thing is absolutely going to rip. But I do think that we do have a buy on the 4-hour. Let's go ahead and check that out. And yes, we do have a buy on the 4-hour, looking extremely bullish. This 4-hour could transfer to the daily. And again, basically with AMC, I'm looking at that hidden bullish divergence that we've seen on the smaller time frames in the RSI. We have the bullish green buy signal here on the 4-hour, which should transfer to the higher time frames. And I'm also looking at the green weekly MACD with the short interest this high, and then the failure to delivers being on the threshold security list and all of that stuff. When I always say this, the same thing, we've had massive run-ups every time all of those fundamentals have lined up. We also have FTDs due. FTDs will be bought on, let's see here, we have due dates on 2/21 is the next due date, and 2/17. So tomorrow we do have FTDs due, FTDs being bought. This is going to be buying pressure from market makers, buying shares to try to close these positions and fill these FTDs. So we will see what happens, and I do think AMC will have another green day tomorrow. And again, I am looking for that big pop here soon. Cost to borrow is just hovering at about still at a little over 150%. Ortex is still reporting crazy numbers like 850, 1000%, but Ortex is very, very speculative. I like to remain more grounded and down to earth with my data. So this is what I am looking at. And we are looking at about 160, 170% cost to borrow, putting massive pressure on the shorts. But guys, basically that is it. I'm not going to take too much time with this video. Not too much to report with the technical analysis. Again, things are looking very, very good. I did want to show you guys that hidden bullish divergence because not too many people are going to be talking about that. But again, technicals look good. Fundamentals are the same. I keep saying it in every single video. We are primed for a squeeze, and things are lining up, and the short squeeze cake is baking. So guys, that is it. I'm gonna head out. Hopefully you guys enjoy your night, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and it also helps the channel grow and the video get seen by more people. And you can also check out my Discord. I drop updates there. You can talk to me as well, and I plan on doing live streams there as well, so you might want to check that out, and my Twitter as well. But as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.